Tingling hands and numbness. Causes, symptoms and 5 simple fixes. Tingling and numbness in the hands, medically known as paresthesia, typically occur when nerves are compressed, irritated or damaged. While often temporary, persistent symptoms may indicate underlying health conditions. Common causes. The primary causes usually involve either direct nerve pressure or systemic issues affecting nerve health. Nerve compression, carpal tunnel syndrome, compression of the median nerve at the wrist, often due to repetitive tasks like typing. Cubital tunnel syndrome, pinched ulnar nerve at the elbow, often from leaning on it too long. Cervical spondylosis, age-related or in the neck that presses on spinal nerves. Systemic conditions. Diabetes, high blood sugar can cause peripheral neuropathy. Vitamin deficiencies, lack of B12, B6, B1 or E is critical for nerve function. Raynaud's disease, spasms in blood vessels that reduce blood flow to fingers. Lifestyle and others, excessive alcohol use, certain medications like chemotherapy and pregnancy-related fluid retention. Symptoms to watch for. Symptoms can range from mild annoyance to debilitating pain. Pins and needles, a prickling, buzzing or growling sensation, loss of sensation, reduced ability to feel temperature, touch or pain. Weakness, clumsiness or difficulty gripping small objects like buttons. Burning or prickling, intense discomfort that may radiate up the nerve arm. 5 simple fixes for relief. If your symptoms are mild or temporary, these home adjustments can help. Neutral sleeping posture. Use a wrist splint at night to prevent your wrists from curling or being compressed under your head. Frequent activity breaks. If you perform repetitive tasks, take a break every 20 to 30 minutes to shake out your hands and perform gentle wrist stretches. Warm water soaks. Run warm, not hot, water over your hands for 2 to 3 minutes to boost circulation and soothe irritated nerves. Ergonomic upgrades. Use cushioned wrist supports and ergonomic keyboards to maintain a straight wrist position while working. Nutrition check. Ensure your diet includes B12 rich foods like eggs, dairy or fortified cereals, or consult a doctor about supplements if you follow a strict vegan diet. When to see a doctor. Seek immediate medical attention if the numbness is sudden, especially if accompanied by other symptoms like weakness or inability to move an arm or leg. Slurred speech, confusion, dizziness or loss of balance, as this could be signs of a stroke. For persistent worsening or recurrent tingling, numbness without an obvious cause, consult a healthcare provider for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan.